And breaking news, Rahul Gandhi tells Times Now that the government has to decide on the issue of remitting the sentence of the Rajiv Gandhi killers, and as a son, he says he would not express his personal opinion. Nandita with us making more sense of that significant response coming in from the Congress Vice President. So, Nandita, essentially, Rahul Gandhi is making this clear that, he's not going to be commenting about how he feels about this personally, but yet the government needs to decide on this.
That's right, Rahul Gandhi. We did ask him when he came for the Congress strategy meeting today on what his views were, considering that, he is the son of the former Prime Minister. He said as a son and, I would not like to give my personal views on this matter, but the party has taken a stand, and the stand of the party is that they will oppose it tooth and nail if there's any move to free the assassins of Rajiv Gandhi. But in the past, we've seen, Deepti, whether it's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra or, others in the Gandhi family, they have taken a view towards leniency towards those killers. Priyanka has even gone and met one of them in jail in Tamil Nadu. So their views are, of course, personal, and that's why he said, I don't want to get into it, perhaps not wanting to dilute the stand of the party, which is quite clear that they are going to fight it tooth and nail, and they will not allow the government to, or at least oppose it politically, if the government decides to accept the plea of Jayalalitha's government.
Yes, and Nandita, this is a foregone conclusion that this matter actually is going to become political from here on. Stay with us, Nandita, here on the phone line. Let's quickly listen into a few more reactions we've heard from the Congress on this.
No, we don't agree with the Tamil Nadu government, and Tamil Nadu government is not the competent enough. The Supreme Court has already rejected this plea of a number of organizations before, and there's no question of supporting such a move.
But sir, the personal view of the Gandhis, because we've seen Priyanka's also gone and met one of those killers.
As a party, we would definitely oppose this move of the Tamil Nadu government.
अगर तमिलनाडु के गवर्नमेंट डायरेक्टली अगर होम मिनिस्टर को लिख के जो लोग राजीव गांधी जी के मर्डर केस में इन्वॉल्व थे और वो ऑलरेडी कन्विक्ट हो गए हैं, अगर उनको बाय कोर्ट हो गया है, इस देश की जो कानून है संविधान के तहत, इंडियन पेनल कोड के तहत और सीआरपीसी प्रोसीजर फॉलो करके उनको जब शिक्षा हो गई है, उनको रिलीज करने की बात अगर तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट करती है तो इससे बड़ा दुर्दैव की बात कोई हो नहीं सकता। और देश के लिए जिसने अपनी जान दी, देश के एकता के लिए, अखंडता के लिए, ऐसे इंसान के उनको तो ऊपर उठाना चाहिए। और सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी कंफर्म किया है, इसके बावजूद भी अगर आप यहाँ पर रिलीज करने की बात होती है तो हर स्टेट में अगर ऐसा ही होते रहा तो मैडम आज इस केस में हुआ, कल के दिन दूसरे केस में हो सकता है। तो देश के अखंडता और एकता के लिए कभी भी ऐसे लेटर्स को एंटरटेन नहीं करना चाहिए और रिलीज नहीं करना चाहिए। वी डिमांड एंड आई वांट द होम मिनिस्टर्स रेस्पॉन्स फॉर दिस बिकॉज